Remember that I say with ayahuasca, that's 50% of the work. She shows us what we need to do, and our real ceremony and practice is in our daily life.
I have a job, a family, and a reputation. I'm afraid that if I do this, I will lose my mind or change too much. Is it safe for normal people?
I have myself worked many years of my life, and the shamans, some have even normal work, or I believe work is part of life and very important. So it's completely normal, and not to be afraid or scared that we're going to change and after we're going to struggle in life. It is not like that. Now, if the medicine manifests or brings something to the surface, is normally to sit down and process that, because it's regarding your own process of healing. So remember that drinking ayahuasca is going to be an experience only. We can come back to our normal life, to our work. Now, some people can have a little bit of conflict, let's say, or challenge, because when you visit the jungle or when you enter in a retreat of days, or you come for a weekend of ceremony, no, when you are with people of high vibes, and where you feel love, where you feel you're important, your story matters, when you feel a space of no judgment for people, this is the little conflict that we can have when we go to our normal life. People are not in the same vibration. Some people might be on the judgment, on the competition, so we can struggle a little bit. And coming back to our normal life, where probably is not like that, so it can be a little bit shocking. That could be a little bit what I have seen the most common, where people struggle a little bit. Oh, I was so nice in this space, but remember that I say with ayahuasca, that's 50% of the work. She shows us what we need to do, and our real ceremony and practice is in our daily life. So in our work, in all our relationships with our family, our lover, our partner, our kids, no? So the idea is to learn what we can learn and take tools from the same ceremony and the same ayahuasca, and to apply, no, to integrate those tools into our daily life.